Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So here I'm back, and I had been a little inconsistent these days because of my hectic schedule. Though I'll try to be a little more consistent. Let's start the video. So we are not having any high impact news into the market today, and we are seeing quite a range bound market. So let's move to the charts directly. So this is the monthly chart, and what I had anticipated before that, we had swept this low, and most likely we are going to mitigate this FVG, but the price is still stuck within this range. Let's move to the weeklies to see what do we have. As we move into the weeklies, what we see is that this is the one candle, and within this candle's range, all of the 3 week, or more likely the fourth week too, is accumulating. Let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, it seems a little bit clear that the price had reacted something over here and moved into the downward side. But even here, what is happening is the price had taken the extreme upside liquidity and the low side liquidity, and we are still within the candle's range since last past 2 days. Let's move to the 4 hours now. As we move into the 4 hour, what we see is that the price reacted from this level, moved into the upside direction. More likely, it is 50% of the overall move. Less than that, it is the 50% of the overall move. Even in this situation, it is 50%. So, even in such scenario, what we can anticipate that if the price breaks below this particular candle's low, because it is the order block right now, then we'll be considering that we are going to come all the way down to mitigate the daily BPR. Apart from that, I'm having no interest into the market till we are having a confirmation of that bias. Let's move to the 2 hours. As we move into the 2 hour, what we see is that this order block is still respected because the price is moving into the upside direction and protecting the FVG right now. Even in this situation here, we can see that we have still 1 hour left for the price to give a close in this order block area. Let's move to the 1 hour to see things little more clear. As we move into the 1 hour, what we see is that this is the order block. This was the BPR. The price is still respecting it over here. And what do we have? Yeah. And if we get a close above, respecting from this order block, and I'll be looking for the trend shift over here, then I'll be targeting these highs, which are equal highs for now, and more likely I'll be waiting for the price to mitigate this FVG just because it is above the liquidity area. Let's move to the 30 minutes now. 30 minutes is having some kind of a similar scenario because the price is having this order block into the 30 minutes, and since nothing is left unmitigated, so this is my invalidation zone. Let's move to the 15 minutes. 15 minutes is having the same situation where we are having one candle order block and the price has yet not reached it. This is the first step. So I'll be waiting for the price to give me a confirmation that it is going to go upside into the upside direction. For that, most likely I'll be using this particular candle's high. If this high gets broken, then only I'll be anticipating that we are going to go higher to take these liquidity sitting. Let's move to the 5 minutes to define the session manipulation today. So we can see that this was the Monday's low somewhere right here, the Tuesday. Oh, yeah. So this was the Monday high. Even for the price, it was the Monday low. So it is not visible here because I guess this indicator is not working fine yet. So we are we are in Wednesday, and I'm and I'm anticipating that most likely if we break this high, then most likely we are going to go higher, taking all the liquidity sitting, because the last manipulation we see here is this particular London close session. And after that, we don't see any kind of manipulation into the market. So all of these moves are kind of liquidity for me. So I'll be waiting for the price to take all of these liquidities sitting into the market. So this is pretty much it. Do write me into the comments that what are your analysis and how do you see the price today. So meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep trading.